Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to upholster a box panel headboard. So earlier I went ahead and I created this frame. It's a queen headboard. Now I'm just going to jump straight into the upholstering, after which I'm going to attach the panels. Guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. So without saying much more, let's just jump right into the tutorial now. Now I'm cutting the foam for each of my panel pieces. I'll be using 9 panels. These are my 9 panels, each measuring 20 by 16 inches. These are my foam pieces with the same measurements. And I'll be using this navy blue suede fabric to do my upholstering. So what I like about this suede fabric is that the front is extremely soft, but the lining at the back is extremely thick. So I do not have to use any batting to line the fabric. Now I'm upholstering one of the panel pieces. It's basically the same process for the other 8 pieces. It's not that technical because these are square pieces. It's a little time consuming, so you have to be a little patient. This is how it came out. The finishing is extremely neat. The sides are straight. These are my other 8 pieces. I did them off camera. As you can see, the outer frame of the headboard has been upholstered. Now I'm going to line up the panels on the headboard, after which I'm going to attach them. Now I'm going to use my screws and cordless drill to attach the panels. To complete this project, I'm now lining the back of the headboard.